Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm AZ. Today, I would like to make a quick, juicy, spicy chicken and sausage wrap, shawarma style. It tastes better than a takeout. And before I dive in, I would like you to pardon the shadows in my videos and pictures today. I don't know, my kitchen is just moody. Here's what I'll need today: chicken breasts, sausages, a mix of spices like the chili flakes, garlic powder, onion, salt, cayenne peppers, garlic and roasted peppers, smoked paprika, red crushed chili. I've also got some olive oil, but you'll see that later on in the video. For the sauce, I'll use some lemon juice, mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and ketchup. Time to season the chicken. I like to use my hands, yes, bare hands, because I'm cooking for myself and I trust my hands. But you can use gloves, totally fine if you're squeamish. First, I add the onion salt. This adds like a mild, savory onion taste, while also seasoning with the salt. The garlic and the roasted peppers, they're sweet, smoky. It also adds this flavor and texture as well. Next is this garlic powder. It is warm and adds like depths of flavors, like it balances all the other spices. Next is the smoked paprika. This is sweet and smoky and it gives it this color. The spicy chili flakes adds this kick of heat. Last but not the least is the crushed chili. I like this one because it brings like all that heat. After all that, I put in some olive oil to help the spices stick and also to give the chicken a nice glossing coating. If you're not a fan of spicy food, feel free to skip the peppers or maybe add a little. Cooking is flexible, you see, so you can adjust it exactly how you like it. Then onto a hot, lightly oiled grill pan, I put in the spiced chicken. You can leave this to marinate if you want, but I go straight into cooking it because it will bang anyway. Can you hear that sizzle? I let it cook for a few minutes on each side, then I flip it over. Look at that golden color, like it's just exactly how I want it. Slightly crispy on the edges, juicy in the middle. Next, I cut open the sausages, pour them into the pan, let them cook for about 6 minutes because I want them juicy and very flavorful. Look at that color starting to come through. It's looking nice and crisp. Love it. And honestly, flipping sausages is always a tiny drum roll moment. You never know if you're about to see the perfect caramelization or will it be a burnt surprise. Luckily today, they turned out just right. As soon as that's cooked, I take it out and I head straight to do the sauce. Let's make the sauce. Into a bowl, I put some ketchup, sweet chili sauce, the mayonnaise, some cayenne peppers, a squeeze of a fresh lemon juice. I mix that all up until creamy and smooth, and it tastes amazing. Look at that color. It's going to coat our chicken perfectly. I add my veggies. I go for the store-bought mix. You can do yours if you want, but yeah, I go for the easiest option for me. After that, I put in my chicken. I like part of it shredded and also the other part chunky because you know the contrast means a lot. Now comes my favorite part, assembling the wrap. Drum roll. I've got my tortilla laid flat on the tray, just waiting to be filled. Bless it. First goes the sausage. This sausage, it has to be the star of the show. Like, it's always the star of the show for me. I place it in the corner, middle, wherever you want. And then I add the chicken, which is full of flavor. Like, this sauce is everything. If you love more sauce, if you want a dripping, you can just add some more, but this is just right for me. Now for the wrapping. This part actually makes someone feel like a professional or like a food magician. Gordon Ramsay. So yeah, I tuck in the sides, fold it over, roll it up nicely and snugly so nothing falls out. But don't worry if it's not perfect. The crisping step will help us seal it. I really don't bother so much. Mine's not perfect, but yeah, it will sort itself out. I'm placing the wrap back on the grill pan just for a few minutes to let the outside crisp up. This step makes such a difference. The tortilla goes from soft to slightly golden. So this is my chicken and sausage shawarma. Thank you for staying with me today. If you can relate, please hit the like button and subscribe as well. Thank you.